Joe, I'm asking you the fourth time right now. We need to go do the nasal rinse. See? It's the fourth time I've been asking you. Please. And your dad knows, so. Come on, bud. Please take your nasal rinse. Joe, this is going to clear out your mucus so that you don't catch a cold or get sick.
I told you.
Or you got green mucus coming up. Come on.
No, 2 minutes, okay?
That's cool. I heard the Guitar Chord Bible book. It's a really good book. It's simple too.
What are we doing?
I'm waiting for you so you can do the nasal rinse.
Oh, look at me. Here.
I'm here. What's up?
Oh, there.
Joe, I gotta get my shoes on. We gotta get going.
What are you doing?
Are you gonna do the nasal rinse this morning? You gotta understand, we need to do that.
Seconds. I'm a river. Wait. Oops. What's that? Stop.